Hey guys, Dave the Shoe Man here, coming at you with another shoe review video. Today we're going to open up another box and show you guys what we have for you today. These are a classic looking dress shoe. But before I get started and we open up the box, I just wanted to once again say thank you so much to all my current subscribers. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for making this world go round. I really do appreciate all your interaction with the channel, your subscribes, any types of comments that you have, liking, and just all the general interaction with the channel really does help out, so I do appreciate that. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Shoe Man. I review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out this channel, especially if you want to see more shoes and footwear related videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube. If you're interested in men's fashion like watches, I do have my other channel, Dave the Watchman, where I review budget friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune on watches either. So I will be pairing one of these lovely watches with the pair of shoes that I do review today, so stay tuned to see which watch I do pair with these shoes. And without further ado, let's get in and check out this shoe. It is a Vostey Milan. I did pick this up on Amazon, and I will post an affiliate link to this in the description below, so you guys can head on over and pick them up. I am not sponsored by this company, but it will be an affiliate link, and that affiliate link does not cost you anything more to use it. However, it does send a small commission over to me if you decide to click on that affiliate link and purchase these shoes. So let's get into this. This is, like I said, the Vostey Milan. It is a classic looking dress casual shoe. And upon first impression, I think it's a very nice looking, it's an Oxford style shoe. Very nice looking. It does have many different color combinations. So when you check on that, click on that listing and check it out, you'll see that you can order this in several different color combinations. I believe there was black, and then with the white sole, and then a few different other colors of the leather. But this is a really nice looking classic Oxford shoe. It does have the leather, it looks like the leather style laces on it for that old-fashioned look. Really nice looking. Feels like a very good slip resistant sole. This is, like I said, it's an Vostey Milan men's leather dress casual shoe. And it does have the classic look with the leather lace-up design. It does say that it has a latex memory insole. Let me take a look at this insole in here and pull it out. Okay, I see what they're saying. It's basically a padded insole with a memory foam heel support on it. So the insole does seem kind of thin. If I decide to keep these shoes, I'll probably end up changing out this insole for a different type of an insole, because I mean, you can pick up insoles pretty cheap on Amazon nowadays. But it does look like it's very solidly built in there. I mean, it is a solid looking shoe. Like I said, I would probably spring for a better insole personally, but once again, I haven't tried it. I haven't tried it on, so I'm not really sure what it feels like. It might feel great, but anyhow, just off first impression, I would probably want a little bit of a thicker insole. But it does say that it's got the latex memory insole. It's an all leather upper with a non-slip sole and the shock resistant. I suppose that's what they're considering the shock resistance, unless there's something built into the sole here as well. But it does have it says it has a soft lining. Yes, it's a very kind of almost like a velvet type of a lining in there. It says it's designed to keep your feet dry and comfortable throughout the day. Keep in mind, this thing also does boast 4.3 stars on almost 1,600 ratings. So a lot of people have said that this is a very comfortable shoe. It's a very good deal for the money. You're actually not even going to believe what a pair of these shoes actually cost you right now on Amazon, and you're probably going to be shocked when I tell you the price. But you guys can actually pick up this pair of shoes on sale right now on Amazon, and there's even a 5% off coupon right now. So if you click on that link right now, you can get these for this amazing price plus 5% off, and that price is $65 right now on Amazon. So definitely, if you're looking for a really nice pair of casual dress shoes, something that you can wear out, something that looks really, really nice, and you got a bunch of different colors to choose from, definitely click on that link, because like I said, $65 plus 5% off of that right now. I'm not sure how long that's going to last, but definitely click on that affiliate link and head on over and pick these up if you're interested. But yeah, Vostey Milan men's leather dress casual Oxford shoes, classic look, leather lace-up design, latex memory insole, all leather uppers, non-slip and shock-resistant sole, soft lining designed to keep your feet dry, 4.3 stars out of almost 1,600 rating, and many different colors to choose from, all for the price of $65 with a 5% coupon. You can't beat that. Really, really nice shoe for the price. Lots of good reviews on it. Definitely head on over. I will be pairing one of these beautiful watches with this pair of shoes, and the watch I am choosing today is going to be this homage watch, which harkens back to the atomic era, which I think is really, really fitting for this type of shoe. This is a beautiful, beautiful watch. I will wind it here so you guys can actually see it in motion. It is a beautiful automatic watch by Benyar Pagani design, wonderfully designed. It does harken back to that, like I said, that atomic era of the 60s. Very, very beautiful watch. I will post a link to this watch in the description below, and I will also post a link to the review of this watch in the description below. But very nice watch. I think it matches these shoes very, very well. You'd be dressed up really, really nice matching this watch with these shoes. Very, very nice. So once again, I am Dave the Shoe Man. I review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more shoes and footwear related videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube. And I also review budget-friendly watches for the everyman on Dave the Watchman on YouTube. So if you want to check out some of my watch review videos, definitely head on over there. And you can become a subscriber on both channels. That would be great. If you do have any questions about any of these watches that I do have displayed here, or the shoes, or this watch itself, just leave that in the comment section below. I'll be sure to respond to all comments and questions that you guys might have. Let me know if you like these shoes. Let me know if you hate them. Let me know if you think this is a great pair or not. So until next time, I will see you guys all in the next shoe review video. Unless you're over on the other side, then I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. But until then, I hope you guys all have a great week, and I will see you guys next time. Have a good one.